Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rotisserie grill attachment is probably one of the most versatile and exciting grilling accessories you can add to your outdoor cooking arsenal, allowing you to effortlessly roast whole chickens, flavorful pork loins, and even perfectly cooked vegetables with a crispy exterior and juicy interior, unlocking a world of culinary possibilities beyond the limitations of traditional grilling methods, and making your backyard barbecue the star of any summer gathering. Number 5. Dyna-Glo Rotisserie Kit. This kit is perfect for grilling enthusiasts who want to elevate their outdoor cooking experience. It's compatible with most gas grills, making it a versatile addition to your grilling setup. It easily fits most gas grills with a firebox width of up to 32 inches. You can now enjoy perfectly roasted meats and vegetables with ease. This rotisserie kit is designed for user-friendly assembly and operation. You'll be enjoying delicious rotisserie-style meals in no time. The Dyna-Glo Rotisserie Kit ensures even cooking, resulting in juicy and flavorful results every time. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked food. It features a 6-foot-long power cord, providing ample reach for convenient placement around your grill. Enjoy the flexibility to position it just right. We stand behind the quality of our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It boasts wide compatibility, ensuring a perfect fit for most gas grills. The included 6-foot cord offers flexible placement options. If you need a reliable and versatile rotisserie kit with a solid warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. It looks better, feels sturdier and has more parts. I have used it 3 times now and it was a success. This rotisserie installed in about 20 minutes. It has everything needed to install it. Motor is very quiet and has plenty of cord. The rod is sturdy and looks to be chrome coated. It works perfectly. Cooked a 5 pounds chicken on it and it came out great. Universal mounting brackets worked on my grill, but I wish the holding bracket was taller as the counterweight doesn't clear the outside of the grill table so I can't use it. It actually wasn't needed as the spit turned fine without it. Number 4. Onlyfire 6042 Grill Basket. This versatile grilling basket is compatible with most grills and various spit rod sizes. It's perfect for even cooking of your favorite foods. Measuring 13.9 L x 7.48 W x 2.2 inches, it fits 1/2 hexagon, 3/8 hexagon, 3/8 square, and 5/16 square spit rods. It's designed to work with gas, charcoal, and Kamado grills. Gears on both sides allow you to adjust the height to accommodate different food thicknesses. Convenient adjustment hooks make unloading easy. The spit rod fits securely through the center hole, and a thumbscrew keeps it in place. Grilling has never been simpler. It's great for roasting a wide variety of foods, from fish and vegetables to chicken and sausages. The possibilities are endless. This basket is also compatible with our 6025 Weber 22-inch rotisserie ring kit for even more grilling options. What we like. This versatile basket fits various spit rod types and grill styles. Its adjustable design makes it easy to accommodate different food thicknesses. If you're looking for a convenient and adaptable rotisserie basket for various meats and vegetables, this is a great choice. What people say. The wings were the best I have made in a long time, way better than an air fryer. The smoke flavor over the coals is perfect. Seems pretty sturdy and will last a long time. It works great for multiple items. It can easily hold 24 chicken wings, which is my favorite thing to cook in it. Using non-stick cooking spray helps with cleanup. Very sturdy and solid, it should last many years. Grilling basket is semi-compact, easily fits in grill and has quick adjustment for different thickness of food being prepared. May be easily used on the rotisserie or just set it down on the cooking grates. I've cooked fillets of fish several times and works great and cleans up easy. Number 3. Onlyfire Weber Kettle Rotisserie Kit. This kit transforms your kettle grill into a powerful rotisserie. It's perfect for even cooking of large roasts and poultry. It's designed for 22-inch Weber kettle grills and similar models. Please double-check compatibility before ordering, it's not suitable for all grills. The kit includes everything you need: a main ring, spit rod, electric motor, motor bracket, counterbalance, meat forks, and a handle. Everything is ready to assemble. The powerful 110V motor handles up to 20 pounds of food. Its 360-degree rotation ensures even cooking and juicy results. It's ideal for entertaining. Impress your guests with perfectly roasted meats cooked to perfection on your grill. There may be a small gap between the rotisserie ring and the grill. This doesn't affect functionality, but may cause slight heat loss. You can seal the gap if needed. What we like. It's specifically designed for Weber 22-inch kettle grills, offering a seamless fit and enhanced functionality. The powerful motor ensures even cooking, resulting in juicy and tender meats. If you own a Weber 22 grill and want a dedicated rotisserie solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. It's a decent deal and is good quality. Kit fits fine. I've used it 3 times now and have made a chicken and shawarma. It was easy to assemble, no issues there at all. Just tried for the first time. Easy to assemble and easy to use. Worked great and the chicken is perfect. It seems to be made well and the stainless steel cleaned up easily after cooking. Number 2. Dreyoo Universal Rotisserie Grill Kit. It comes with everything you need: motor, skewers, forks, and mounting hardware. It's designed to fit most grills, making it perfect for your next barbecue. The 120V motor rotates food evenly at a safe speed. It features a waterproof on-off switch for added safety and convenience. Made with food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's built to last. The UL certification ensures safety and peace of mind. The adjustable design accommodates various sizes of meat. The easy-to-clean design makes cleanup a breeze. It's simple to set up and use. Just make sure your grill has the appropriate mounting holes before you begin. It's perfect for cooking juicy and evenly browned meats. Get ready to impress your friends and family with delicious rotisserie meals. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary components for a hassle-free setup. The UL certification guarantees safety and reliability. If you want a comprehensive and safe rotisserie kit that's easy to use, this is an excellent option. What people say. Follow directions and it works great. I don't know the actual weight capacity of it, but I have put a large ham on it. I have put a tri-tip with 2 New York strips so it can support some weight. I have an old Farberware indoor grill. This was the perfect length for the cooker, but I had to be creative on how to make it work with the grill. Some string and zip ties did the trick. Overall the motor was strong, quiet, and had no problem turning an 8 pounds prime rib. Number 1. Stainless Rotisserie U-Bolt, 2-pack. Worried about your rotisserie meat falling off during cooking? These U-bolts keep everything securely in place, ensuring a perfect roast every time. With a 5.5-inch length, it can handle up to 125 pounds of meat. For heavier loads, simply use multiple U-bolts for extra support. The sharpened points make inserting it into even tough pig skin easy. It's designed for simple and secure trussing. This versatile U-bolt fits virtually any rotisserie spit up to 2 inches in diameter, making it a must-have accessory. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel, it's resistant to bending, breaking, and rust. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Secure your meat to the spit and tighten it as needed throughout the cooking process for consistent results. It's the ultimate in versatility. What we like. These heavy-duty forks are designed to securely hold large cuts of meat. Their adjustable design ensures a tight fit on various spit rods. If you need robust and reliable forks for large roasts, these are essential. What people say. The U-bolts will hold a 75 pounds pig securely with threads to spare. Roasted a 50-pound pig and these did a great job in keeping it stable. Helped secure the pig to our split worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.